Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Subject computer application for 12th standard C section. Last class we completed chapter 10. Now we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 11, network examples and protocols part 1. So in this chapter we are going to see the two important topics, introduction about protocol, and we are going to discuss the second important topic, internet, intranet and extranet. Let's start our class. The first topic, introduction. So protocols, the basic procedure or principle followed in internet, the important tool for enhancing the speed of the internet and boost upping the features of internet. The first protocol whenever we talk about internet is the IP protocol, the internet protocol. This is called the principle of communication protocol. Internet is a tool mainly used for communication, which was which was boosted up by the IP protocol, that is internet protocol. The main function of the IP protocol is allows internet working and boost up the internet. So what the IP do? IP protocol will deliver packets from the source and to the destination place via IP address. What is IP address? The whenever we connect any computer to internet allocate a the number, a unique number for that particular computer worldwidely. That unique number is called IP address. Depending upon that number only the internet can be worked. That is called IP address. This method was initially used in 1974 when Sir Wenkerf and Bob Kahnin was introduced this IP connection method, which was less a datagram service, was in the transmission control protocol in 1974. But later this IP addressing method was dramatically increased and boost up the datagram services. Now the IP is referred as TCP IP protocol. TCP means transmission control protocol. Another one is internet protocol. Both are same protocol but do many works. Network protocol is the usual procedures, rules, formal standards and policies comprised of formats allocates communication between more than one devices which connect to the network. That is the main function of the TCP IP function protocol. That is, it is the procedure, it is the rules, it is the formals, it is the policies and standards for communication between more than one devices in network. These protocols they also have the end-to-end process of secure on time and manage data or network communication. It means it is not only safe, it also secure and reliable. Each and every time whenever you send any message through internet, the at the second when the message received by the receiver, we get the message that message was delivered and received. If the message is not received, it should just be delivered. You can see the notification area that the message is display that the deliver message not read by the user, the end user. So this is called the reliable. This is the new features which provided by the protocols, that is TCP IP protocols. Now without protocol we cannot use networks. These protocols carry out communication between routers, the main computers, servers, computers, laptops of users and authorized network devices. These protocols may be installed for communications. This is the simple introduction about the protocol. So without protocol we cannot do anything in network, in internet. Now we are going to see the broad types of networking protocols. There are different protocols are used for different purpose. The first one is network communication protocol is the basic data communication protocol which specifies HTTP and TCP/IP. So you can see in the browser area, whenever you enter the URL, that is the address of the web page address of any web page, in the prefix of that web page address, you can see the HTTP, the file protocol name automatically appears. This is the only protocol used to transfer hypertext. That is why the abbreviation of the HTTP is Hypertext Transfer Protocol, which transfers the hypertext from one computer to another computer in network. Next one is the network security protocol, is that which implements security over network communication, and it includes HTTP, SFTP and SSL. So these are the three important network protocol used for security. These are the two important protocol for communication. So HTTP plays a role in communication as well as security. So that's why this is the default protocol of all programming, all networking. So SFTP and SSL. The third is the Network Management Protocol, which allows to manage network governance, that is the maintenance and administration power for the web pages. That protocols are called ICMP and SNP. So here you can see three type of protocol. One is communication protocol, example is HTTP and TCP. Second one is security protocol, example is HTTP, SFTP and SSL. Third one is management protocol, example is ICMP and SNMP. Now we are going to see the next topic called internet, intranet and extranet. So of course we know what is internet. Internet is a network of global connections where private, public, business, academic, government networks are linked by guided wireless and fiber optic technologies. So in internet, all from individual to government and from simple man to powerful man connected to internet, from one computer to another computer, all the connections of the geographical area which covers the whole world is known as internet. It was first started in US government in 1969 in the name of ARPA. It means Advanced Research Product Agency, first recognized as ARPANET. The perceived name of internet is ARPANET, where Advanced Research Project Agency is the abbreviation of ARPA, which was established by US government in 1969 to do the research work in projects in universities, where they can talk from one university to other university related to their research. So this is the main aim of the ARPANET. So the second point here you can see the unique aim was to permit users to of the research computer from one university to talk to research computers on the other universities. So the next point is the jargons internet and world wide web are frequently used interchangeably, but they are not same. So whenever we use www on internet in our local communication methods in our local languages, we mean same for the both terms, both the jargons, but they are not same. The internet denotes to the global communication system including infrastructure and hardware. So internet is a medium where we use this medium was used for communication, where many hardware, where many infrastructure like towers, wires, fiber optic cables, computers, laptops, um, modems are used. All these devices are included in internet. All these mediums are called the communication medium. All these hardwares and softwares are included as a internet. But www is not same. www is a web page service, one of the service from the internet. So internet is the whole service which include all the software, all the hardwares like towers, laptops, computers, servers and all the routers. But www is not internet. Www is a service provided through internet, that is the accessing a web page, creating a web page. For example, if you want to access a particular web page, google.com, youtube or research.com, then that particular web page is known as the www. So www is different from internet. Next one is intranet. It is a private network. In this example, you can see in the diagram, it is a diagram of intranet where it is a local area network connected by a single company, sharing company data, computing resources like printers, fax, etc. between the employees. So this is the network limited to the employees only. That particular company employees only can access that resources. They only share that internet network. They only send message and receive messages in the internet, but the technique used in the intranet is same as the network. In intranet, many local area network may be combined. It includes connection through one or more gateways, that is more than one networks, that is local area network can be used in intranet, but they are limited and they cannot access the internet medium, but they use the technology of the internet for the particular private company purpose. So intranet is a network formed by a big company, maybe called it as a multinational company, which have many branches through the world. If the company want to share the data between their branches and they share the resources between their employees and share the resources between their branches, then they can use the technology how the internet work, but they cannot use the services provided by the internet. They only use the technology, that is the intranet. That type of network is called intranet. This is a second type of network called intranet. The third one is extranet. It is a private network. It is also a private network, uses internet technology and public telecommunication system to securely share business information with suppliers, vendors, partners, customs or other data. So the only difference is in intranet the company only do all the data and communication between the uh, company employees, but in extranet other than company employees like suppliers, vendors, partners, customer and other businesses also involve into this network, and they also use that network for the particular purpose. Here also they use the same internet technology. This type of network is called extranet. The only difference between intranet and extranet is in intranet this network is up to the employees only. But in the extranet, employees also use the network, other persons like individual users, customers also use this network, and buyers also use these networks, partners also use these networks, even suppliers and vendors also use this network for sharing the data for communication purpose. This type of network is called extranet, and the up to the technology of the internet technology used for up to the employees is called the intranet. So this is the difference between intra and extranet. Now here in this tabular column you can see the difference between internet, intranet and extranet. See, first point, internet. It is a global network publicly available for everyone, where we use TCP IP network used for over a billion people all over the world. In intranet, a TCP IP network with access restricted to the members of an organization. Up to the members of organization only can access that network. Third one is extranet. Here also we use TCP/IP network, the same internet technology, but restricted access to members. Here members refers to all the members related to the particular company. They may be vendor, they may be customer, they may be purchaser, they may be seller, they may be even government also use this extranet. The example here you can see sending email is example for internet. Accessing your record in the employee's personal is the example for intranet. Checking availability of inventory from an outside supplier is called extranet. So in this one, in the single diagram you can see three type of uh, three type of networks were accessed in this single diagram. The whole network is called internet, where we use internet service. So this is also extranet, this is also called extranet. And the difference between the extranet and internet is intranet only used by the employees, where the extranet is also used by the suppliers from the outside of. But all these three technologies use same technology called internet technology, that is TCP ISP network technology. Now we are going to see the applications of this network. So first one, application of internet, where we use this internet by: number one, download programs and files, social medias like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, email, e-banking, audio video conferencing, e-commerce, file sharing, e-governance, if information browsing. So here e-commerce refers to selling and buying products through internet. File sharing means sending, receiving files, images, photos through WhatsApp. Next one is e-governance, where we apply for any certificate. And information browsing, search the web browsers and for accessing through the search engines and chatting and etc. Now the application of the intranet. Here sharing of company policies, rules and regulation, accessing employees. Application of intranet. So of course we know intranet is a specifically or restricted only to the organization members only. So in the intranet they only share company policies, rules and regulations, access only employees data of particular organization, distribution of circulars, official address, orders etc., access product and customer data, sharing of information of common interest, launching of personal departmental home pages, submission of reports, corporate telephone directories. All these applications only related to the particular organization only. That's why this type of internet, the technology is called intranet. Next one is the application of extranet. So extranet is also a type of network where we use customer communication, online education training, account status inquiry, inventory inquiry, online discussion, supply chain management, order status inquiry, warranty registration, claims, distributor promotion. All this comes under extranet. So this is the three type of networks and their applications in this tabular column. I hope you understand this topic very well. So this one is the very important topic. Prepare well for your examination. If you have any doubt, contact me. Prepare your assignments. Try your try to solve all the problems. Prepare all the answers for book back questions and submit it through WhatsApp. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Best of luck.